What's going on, guys? So it's been a little bit since we recorded anything, and there's still a video that I haven't recorded that I've been meaning to put out. But we got another one here that we did. We did this build about 3 years ago now. The customer came back with a couple issues, whatever. But the fact that it's been on the road 3 years, multiple shows, been seeing them drive it and enjoy the truck, it kind of shows the quality of the build. So this one had a fueling issue and a little bit of a wiring issue. It got hot around the header, so we repaired that, and yeah, it's good to go. So let me show you the truck and explain to you what we did. So this is the truck. I believe it's a 1985 C10. It's got US mag wheels. That's something that was already on there. The only thing we did was I believe this one's a 6.0 4L80 with a Brian Tooley cam, circle D converter, PSI harness. I believe we rewired the truck from headlight to tail light with an American Auto Wire kit. So let's open this thing up, pop the hood for you. Well, so I'll probably be giving you a little update on my personal truck, the 73 C10. I haven't really did much filming of this truck, I don't believe. I'll have to check. Yeah, so this is it. Let's get this cover off real quick. So that's a little Core Sport pearl white. Kind of see the pearl in there. That's the engine, candy red, with the CVR accessory drive. So that's going to be the color of the truck right there. We did a Restomods air membrane, and we're installing the American Auto Wire kit as well on that one. So it's got the wiring in there. Nothing too much going on with that. Let's see. Got the tank in it. The fuel tank from Tanks, the fuel injection square body tank. It's all strapped up and ready to go. It's not too much progress on that, but a little bit. So you got this hood popped. Let's get this thing open. So this is it. So as far as the headers go, they're a Speed Engineer C10 swap header. The harness is a PSI conversion harness. I was going to show you the sticker, but I believe this one was from before they started putting the heat shrink on that piece. We have Twin Built Racing's custom intake, Holley Sniper sheet metal intake. Let's see. Like I said, Brian Tooley Racing cam kit, Circle D converter, an aluminum radiator for the fans. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll do a little bit of a idling video somewhere else, but oh, you know what? I don't have the keys, so you're gonna have to wait on that. Let's see. Yeah, so I'll do an idling video somewhere for you guys. That way you can hear it. But yeah, we've been a little busy with some stuff here and there. Nothing too crazy. This one I actually have at my house right now. Just because it's a long-time customer. And the shop's a little out there, so I figured I'll bring this one to the house, get it taken care of. It was real small issues anyway. So I took care of this at the house, and yeah, it's not too bad. Usually have just regular customers go out to the shop, but some of the long long existing customers that I've done a lot of work for. I'll have them drop this stuff off at the house. This is my home shop. So, yeah. So I'll go on a drive with it and go from there. Alright, let's go ahead and get this one started up. We'll take it for a drive. Forgot the gauges don't work on this one. We'll do Dakota Digital eventually, so. This one's been sitting for a while just because had a little issue that we took care of. So I feel like there's a little bad fuel in here. Not bad fuel, but a little older than I would like. A few months, nothing crazy. It's a Brian Tooley cam kit. Maybe I could put the what it actually is in the frame here. Circle D converter, PSI harness. It's our usual swap stuff. Surging a little bit, but other than that, it seems all right so far. Can't really get it on it. We're in a neighborhood, but yeah, tries pretty good. I believe he's driven it a lot since we did the swap. I've seen him at Dino's 2 years in a row, and I've seen it driving here and there. So I'm assuming he's put a decent amount of miles on it. So yeah, I don't really care for that surging, but we'll have to look at that. I'll record a little more of this in a minute.